Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Cooking and Crafts, and today we're gonna make some chocolate coconut nest cookies, and they are delicious, let me tell you, and I'm gonna teach you how to make them. So to start off with, get all the ingredients ready, of course. So the first thing you'll need are 7 tablespoons of chocolate chips, dark or even milk. And then you'll need 2 egg whites, only the whites, and separate it as shown. I know it shows 3 eggs, but you only need 2, so trust me on that. So you don't need the yolks, so make an omelet later and keep that aside. Now you need the rest of the ingredients, which are brown sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, salt, and shredded sweetened coconut. Now it's time to melt the delicious chocolate.
A few moments later.
So make sure to melt it at 30-second increments at a time in the microwave, and it should be like that. Set it aside. And now we'll start whisking up all of the other stuff. So take a big bowl and add the egg whites, 2 egg whites, remember, and the brown sugar. And start whisking that up with a beater or stand mixer or whatever you have until it's a nice pale, light, and foamy texture like that. Scrape it down and add the cocoa powder, salt, and the vanilla extract as well, and whisk it all up again. Oh no, it's getting everywhere. Scrape the bowl down, make sure to do that, and don't mess everything up like me. Like that. I did it. Okay, that's good. So whisk it again, make sure it's all nicely whisked up with all the cocoa powder, and scrape it again, but scrape it better than me because I did a pretty bad job of doing that. Do that. And now it's time to add the delicious chocolate. Oh, just look at that. That's delicious. Oh my god. Alright, now that we're done with that, add that all in, and then add all of your coconut in. Yes, delicious coconut. And then just fold it with the spatula, no need to whisk it, just fold it up until it's like nice and thick like that. And now grab your pan lined with parchment paper and grab like 2 tablespoons, around that much, and kind of shape it into nests by like indenting dimples in the middle. So I actually changed to hands because that's easier, I thought. Alright, cleaned up. And take that away and then bake it at that time. And they're done. That was fast. And make sure they're hard like that, perfect. And once they're cool, transfer them to a plate. Again, they don't have to be perfect looking. They are a bird nest after all. And just for decorations, this is optional, but all I had was M&Ms in my house, so I just used that to make like eggs, kind of. They kind of look like eggs, right? So that is how you make these chocolate nest cookies. The description of ingredients will be down below, and I really hope you like this. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.